Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix slow Google Maps on Windows in 2026. So if Google Maps is lagging, freezing, or loading too slowly on your PC, this guide will help you speed it up. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try opening another website to confirm your network isn't the problem. Next, refresh the Google Maps tab. Sometimes a simple reload fixes temporary lag or loading issues. If your browser has too many tabs open, close the ones you don't need. Too many tabs can slow down Google Maps performance. Now go to your browser settings and clear cached images and files. This removes old data that may be slowing things down. Some browser extensions can also slow down Google Maps. Try disabling them temporarily and check performance again. Make sure your browser is up to date. Older versions of Chrome or Edge can cause lag with modern web apps like Google Maps. If you're zoomed out too far or using satellite view, try switching to standard map view to reduce loading pressure. And if nothing works, restart your computer. This clears background processes that might be slowing everything down. You can also try using another browser like Microsoft Edge or Chrome to see if performance improves. So that's how to fix slow Google Maps on Windows in 2026. One of these steps should speed things up right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.